Well, 8 ways to grill chicken, huh?
Yeah.
Here we're talking about direct grilling chicken right over the coals or right over the gas.
Yep.
No safe zone, no 2 zone.
There's no need for it.
Fill the grill with chicken.
Yep.
The wings, sauced or not.
That's
I'll tell you, this is everybody's favorite part of food.
Yeah, absolutely.
And again, you're filling the grill medium to medium-high heat.
Yep.
Pretty fast cook.
The seasoning is basically whatever you want. You know, when we did them, it was a basic seasoning, and then some of them we sauced with some barbecue sauce, and some of them we didn't.
We tell people, let the sear marks be your guide. If you're really black here, you're probably too hot.
You are too hot.
Yeah, I mean, that's as dark as I want to go.
Especially with chicken.
Great control here. Yeah, this is not a steak. We're not looking to lay down a char bar. It's fun to sauce and not sauce because you get to see what people like to taste. And I'll tell you, the sauce went pretty quick. I was surprised to see the use, but I think it's just like ribs. I like to do ribs sauced and unsauced.
Yeah.
And I think wings do the same.
And
thing.
wings are pretty darn forgiving too. You know, it's really kind of hard to overcook a wing, so you've got that on your side.
So fill the grill with wings. You'll never go wrong, especially with GrillGrates. No fire, no fang, just crispy.
And they're all going to cook at the same rate.
Yeah.
Beautiful crispy skin.